Hi, my name is Rob McCreary. I'm the Executive Director for Amanecer Counseling and Resource Center. Amanecer's mission is to help the Latino community heal, grow, and thrive through the empowerment of individuals and families through quality behavioral health care. Amanacer has been a member with Dana since 2013. Amanacer became a Dana member basically to gain more knowledge, to network, and to adhere to quality standards in the nonprofit sector. Amanacer's challenges really kind of revolved around workforce development, meaning trying to fill the pipeline of bilingual, culturally responsive counselors in the state of Delaware. The ratio is 1 to 2,300 in the state of Delaware. And then when the pandemic hit, it got to be doubly hard. Trying to reach our clients in the best manner available. And I'll give you an example. Domestic violence clients, trying to reach and serve them while the perpetrator or the abuser was in the same shelter space or in the same house. So we had to really kind of adapt, become resilient, and find ways to meet people where they are in the community. The conversations we had with our team and with Dana really revolved around how do we effectively communicate the impact that we have on our community. In light of the pandemic and the challenges that we were going through there, we had to keep pushing ahead. There really is no excuse, even in a pandemic, to really say to the community, hey, we've got to just stop in our tracks what we're doing. The people we serve, they don't deserve that, and we didn't want to do that. So it's how do we adapt? We talked to Dana about that. What's the best way for our service delivery to kind of keep continuity? I think one of the key things that Dana has helped us do really kind of revolves around sector advancement. They've helped us through trainings and workshops. The executive E2E or peer-to-peer workshops are key. The program evaluation outcomes are really key. So with Dana, a particular program that was particularly helpful for Amanecer was the CARES Act funding for Delaware nonprofits. That helped us with financial sustainability, particularly through the pandemic period. I think the most important things that we've learned together, and I've learned for myself too, in working with our team through these difficult times, is resilience, is knowing that we have each other's backs, and knowing that we're doing that because we're trying to help these folks. That's our mission, that's our promise to the community. Going through that journey, Dana was really a partner. It's a partner that we trusted, that's somebody that we could go to and get and seek guidance from. They're always willing to be there. I hate to say that, but I'd like to see more of that with other providers. I think they get busy themselves, and maybe they just don't think about them being an extension of who we are. And I know that goes both ways. We have to be an extension of who our clients are to help them too. So I think that's key, and I think Dana's been right there at the table with us. They continue to kind of ask questions about which way we're going, how they can help, how they can be a part of it as we continue to expand our services through Delaware to reach and serve more people. I think the future's really bright for Amanacer. I think the future's even brighter for the clients that we serve and for the people we haven't reached yet. Our goal really is to become the go-to resource center for counseling, case management, and workforce development. And by that I mean training and supervising clinical candidates so that we can reach more people across the state. Love to be able to see us in Kent and Sussex County at some point in time over the next couple of years. Before we do that, we really need to just focus on getting our arms around the model that we've established and that we're continuing to strengthen here in Newcastle County so that we can take that model and replicate it in those areas. That's the best way we can help people. I think Dana can continue to be of service to Amanecer by staying the course with us, just being the partner that they've been, offering up solutions, some suggestions, recommendations. If they see things that we don't, sometimes we get so close to things because we're in the thick of it that we don't see things that are right in front of our eyes. So having a partner that can say, hey, take a look, this is what's happening, and this is how we can help you with that, I think that's key. And I'm looking forward to continuing that collaboration and partnership.